Welcome to the SpaceLift installation videos, a complement to your installation manuals. The videos are broken into 8 sections. You are watching Video 2, Assembling the SpaceLift Motor Housing.
To set up the unit, you will need an electric screwdriver with a number 2 Phillips head bit and a carpenter's level. Your SpaceLift will come in 2 boxes, so some assembly is required and should take approximately 15 to 25 minutes to put the motor housing together. After removing the components from the boxes, examine the polyweb pathways. Leave the polyweb straps coiled up and attached to the motor housing. We suggest you move the motor housing, motor side panels, screws included in the box, and front rail to the attic space for assembly. But for the purpose of this video, we will be assembling the motor housing on a table. Please note, the deflectors will be installed in the attic in Video 8. Leave the ceiling cover assembly, cargo tray, brackets, web tangs, pre-assembled bolts, springs, and landing pads on the lower level of your home or garage. You will notice that pulleys on the back of the unit have been pre-assembled and are in the correct position. Make sure that the webbing is not tangled on the pulleys. The slack sensor and guide have to be engaged for the mechanism to work. Assemble the motor housing side panels, side rails, and front rail sections together using the provided screws. Make sure the housing is square and level.
Thank you for choosing the SpaceLift Attic Lift. If you have further questions, you may call SpaceLift at 203-446-4699 or email us through the website at www.spaceliftproducts.com.